John Chow here from johnchow.com. Welcome to another episode of the .com Lifestyle Vlog. Right now I am in the Alaska Airport Lounge here in LAX. Waiting for my flight to Costa Rica. That's where I'm going. That's right, that's set. That's coming a month again. Let's go. Welcome to Costa Rica. Custom lineup doesn't look too bad. Looks like another plane just landed, so I'm gonna get in there. Custom took all of 10 minutes. Now I just gotta go through the bag check and then hopefully my ride is waiting for me outside. Driver is paying for the parking here. Okay, so I finally made it to the Sunset Del Mar Resort here in Costa Rica, and you may notice that I'm not in my usual room when I'm here. I got one of the, I guess the big room, check out, let me show you. So this is one of the villa rooms. It has a high ceiling, 2 queen beds, I guess. Not that I don't know why they give me that. Oh well. So it's got a nice little workstation here where we're doing some work. Little drawer here. Anderson Cooper. Yeah. Little full length mirror so I can, get ready for it. And here we got the mini bar. We got all these little spirits and stuff. And the coffee machine. And I believe down here is a little, oh yeah, pop and beers and stuff. Okay. And here we have the closet for your clothes, and I believe there is a safe in here, which is good. Is it bolted down? Yep, it's bolted down, so we got that there. And then over here we have the bathroom, which is nicely done, really. Oh, this is cool. Looks like a tin copper, but it's been pounded on by a hammer. And you got this big mirror with like a 5x zoom. Oh my god, makes me look huge. And the shower, sliding glass door shower. Sliding glass door shower, and we'll ring for a shower head, 2 shower, and another shower nozzle. Yeah, so I should request to stay here for the whole event. But I think I will be moving when the main mastermind begins. I think I will be moving back to my usual studio at the film studio. So, yeah.